Let's talk honestly about side effects. With GLP-1 medications, mild nausea can happen, especially in the beginning. But here's what most people don't understand. It's usually temporary, and surprisingly, it's often preventable. That's why dosing matters. Your body needs time to adjust. We don't rush the process. We use strategic titration so your system can adapt comfortably. When prescribed responsibly, side effects are typically mild and manageable. Hydration, portion control, and medical supervision matter. This isn't about pushing doses faster. It's about doing it the right way. At Start Zion, we prioritize education and safety, not shortcuts, because sustainable results start with smart decisions. Follow us for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.